I bet you can smell those pictures, this pungent smell of paint or preservatives. You just know there is something bad in the air. That something are volatile organic compounds, or short VOCs. But there are also VOCs released by air fresheners that make your home or car smell so fantastic. No matter the source, VOCs in high concentrations can lead to dizziness, fatigue, headache, or even worse. Luckily, your device can help users to avoid all that by alarming the users or even trigger actions directly. All you need is a reliable, high-performing sensor, and this is Sensurion's SGP40 VOC sensor. The sensor offers various advantages: best performance to price ratio, optimal performance in various environments, no signal processing programming by customer required, excellent longevity for more than 10 years, suitable for battery-powered devices. Benefit from global support, high-volume production capacities, and highest quality standards to make sure that your application will be a success.